Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the design of a combinational circuit for a problem given. So let us start with the problem. The problem given is such a way that there is a figure which is showing the diagram of automobile alarm circuit is used to detect the undesirable conditions. So whenever you are sitting in the automobile or a four-wheeler of yours, so digital circuit is there, out of which we have designed one problem here. The three switches which are used to indicate the status of door by the driver side, whether it is open or closed, ignition, and the position of the headlights, whether they are on or off. So we have to design here logic circuit so for which the alarm will be activated whenever either of the conditions exist. The first condition is here, the headlights are on when ignition is off, which is not desirable, and the second condition is the door is open while ignition is on. So when you are going to ignition, you are going to turn on the ignition, the door must be closed and you are ready to drive. So we have to design one circuit. So let me tell you, let us assume that there are three switches. For these three switches the plus 5 volt supply is given. So this is nothing but the plus 5 volt DC supply to the battery, and from which it is given to the switches, and the rest of the point are grounded. So this is the ground line, and these grounds are connected to the switches as well. So from these points you can off the switch, and from the blue lines you can turn on the switch. So now all these three switches are closed, and let me name these switches as, so this is going to be switch off door, this is our ignition, and this is for, so this one is for the door, this one is for ignition, and the next one is for the headlight. Now see, all these are grounded, so the switches are grounded here, switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. Okay, all the switches are grounded. So for these are the input conditions. The door is closed, then it will be grounded. If the ignition is on, the switch will be connected to plus 5 volt, and if lights are off, it is connected to ground, vice versa. And we have to design one combinational circuit which will be indicating a alarm. So there will be alarm circuit here, that is nothing but a single line which is going to be connected to a transistor to amplify the output, a 5 volt supply through a current limiting resistor, and here we will be getting a indication, that is nothing but the alarm indication. So what are the output from these three inputs? That is nothing but input D, input I, and input H for headlights. From combination of these inputs will give an output, and depending on this output, this will drive this BJT or the transistor Q1, and should give the alarm indicator light. A LED is connected through a current limiting resistor in series with it. So let us design this circuit.